In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down menu in Google Forms. This feature is incredibly handy when you're designing forms that require respondents to select from a predefined list of options, bringing coherence and structure to your surveys or questionnaires. To begin, head over to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into your web browser's search bar. Once you're on the site, look for the option to create a new form. You'll typically find a plus blank option that allows you to start a new form from scratch. Click on it to open a blank canvas for your form creation. With your new form open, the first thing you'll want to do is give it a title. In our case, let's call it Survey to keep it simple and focused on gathering information efficiently. Adding a clear and concise title helps respondents immediately understand the purpose of your form. Next, you'll see a section where you can add your questions. You'll need to focus on the type of question you're going to add. Initially, questions default to multiple choice, but we want a drop-down menu. Click on the multiple choice button to reveal the sub-options available. After you've clicked the button, you'll see a list of different types of questions you can include. Find and select drop-down from this list to convert your question from multiple choice to a drop-down format. This change enables you to present your options in a space-efficient manner. Now, it's time to type in your question's text. For this example, let's ask the respondents about their age bracket. This type of question works great with the drop-down format because it involves selecting from a specific range of options. With the question in place, you'll proceed by typing in the choices for respondents to choose from. Simply list out the options that correspond to your question. For instance, if you're asking about age brackets, you might include ranges like 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and so forth. You can add as many options as necessary to cover all potential responses. Once you've entered all your choices, double-check to ensure they accurately reflect the options you want to offer. When you're done, it's a good idea to preview your form to see how it will appear to respondents. To do this, look for an eye icon, which you can click on to generate a preview of your form. In the preview, you'll be able to interact with your form as a respondent would, ensuring everything looks and works as intended. Click on the drop-down icon to verify that all your options appear correctly and are easy to select. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a drop-down menu to your Google form, creating a polished and professional-looking survey. This feature not only saves space, but also makes the form more user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your form creation endeavors.